MP3, track 34.
Hi, my name's Jackie Smith. I'm here today to tell you about how I became the international under-18 windsurfing champion at the age of 16. It's something I'm really proud of. I think I've been successful because of two people, really. My mum and my cousin Rachel have been my role models. I first went windsurfing with my mum. We lived near the sea and we spent every summer on the beach. My mum had entered windsurfing competitions when she was a teenager. She didn't win anything, but she really enjoyed it. She started to teach me windsurfing as soon as I could swim. I was only about 7 years old. My cousin Rachel was there too. She and her family lived near us. My mum gave us lessons together. Rachel's 2 years older than me, and I've always looked up to her. I still do. Rachel was good at everything. She was a really good example for me. I wanted to be sporty, like her. I did a lot of different water sports because I grew up near the sea and it was natural. At first, windsurfing wasn't my favourite thing. I liked other water sports, like swimming and sailing. I used to go sailing with Rachel, and then we joined a children's sailing club. We spent all our weekends there, even in winter. We did lots of sailing, and then we got into rowing. I wasn't sure about rowing at first, but my mum thought it was a good idea. Now I'm glad I did it, because it made my arms strong, and that helped my windsurfing. Windsurfing became my #1 sport thanks to Rachel. She entered a windsurfing competition when she was 15. I always wanted to do the same as her, so I entered the competition too. She came second and I came 5th. But I really enjoyed myself, and that was the moment when I decided that windsurfing was my sport. My mum and Rachel are still important role models for me. I think I take after my mum. I hope I have some of the same qualities anyway. And Rachel is like a big sister to me.